Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the latest iOS 26 of iPhone. So basically iPhone has launched the iOS 26 on all the devices. So it is now available to all the persons. So if you want to download the iOS 26 and you don't know how you can do that, or if you are having any kind of issues, so we will tell you how you can download and install the latest iOS 26. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, and you have a strong internet connection so that it can access the iOS 26, the latest version. And moreover, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and in general you will find the option of software update. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the beta update so that you do not get any beta options, beta updates. So here you can simply see that iOS 26 developer beta is also available. So here I have installed the latest version. So if you click on software update, then you will find the iOS 26 update, and you have to simply click on update and it will show update requested. So you have to wait for some time so that it can start downloading, and after the downloading it will be installed on your device. So you have to make sure that you have installed the iOS 26 properly on your iPhone, and after that you will get many features of the iOS 26 which includes liquid glass options, customization of your screen, and all the options are available here. You can simply see that. Moreover, you can also get the transparent control centers and all the options available. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.